The ground is kind of dry. Leaves are falling off the trees. My little corn plants didn't do very well. Neither did my okra. Neither did my cantaloupe. Neither did the peppers. But that's okay, because it was a learning experience. Next time it'll be much better. The compost is slowly growing. I know it kind of looks like a little trash heap, but coffee filters, coffee grounds, eggshells, egg cartons, any kind of cardboard. Just put it in your compost, and it eventually breaks down. Boy, look at that one. That one's growing away out there now. That thing just decided to grow one day, even though we haven't had a whole lot of rain lately. It's liking putting roots down underneath the compost. This one, on the other hand, that one don't look as good. That one's got something going on for it. A little tomato plant. With fall coming on, I don't expect these to produce anything for me. They are putting little flowers out, little buds out, stuff like that. Odds and ends. But I don't expect them to really do anything for me. Whenever it gets to a point to where these little plants are no longer growing here, then I'm gonna just mix these two together. Plus I got another compost pile way back in the way a couple of acres that way to the left, down there and that way. I'll probably put it in the cart and bring it up here and mix it all together. I've been collecting wood, odds and ends, so I think I need to build me an actual real compost bin to put my compost stuff in. Let it sit over the winter, the fall, the winter, the early spring. And then, whenever it comes time, hopefully I'll have a bunch of good compost for the gardens. But between now and then, I am going to be getting up leaves. I still got leaves right there from this past year. Leaves all out inside under the trees out here. I'll just run that mower out here. Everything I mow down and vacuum up into the bag on the mower goes into the compost pile. So that's the plan, man. Anyway, one of my friends that I work with, he always says, "That's the plan, man." So anyway, I kind of picked that up from him. Not that I say that much, but once in a blue moon I do. Leaves left over from this past year that I need to get up all along the fence lines. And I can really tell it's fall. I can really tell. Because it's the trees or leaves are changing. The air, the weather's different. Oh, look at that. That little thing just popped up not too long ago. Oh, look. There's another one. The wind picked up a little bit. I think we might get some rain. What do you think? You think we're gonna get some rain? I don't know. We might. It's a little overcast out there. A little overcast. So anyway, I guess that's a good update on my little compost pile. That thing's definitely growing.